know what the job of an executor is? Many of my clients will ask this question, so I thought I'd make a short video about it. I'm Denice Gierach of the Gierach Law Firm, and we work a lot with different estates and estate administration and trust administration too. So one of the things that an executor does is to find the original will, if there is an original will. And sometimes that takes some doing to find out where this might have been left. It could be left with the attorney's office. It could be left in a safe deposit box that you're not aware that the decedent had. Or it could be in a strong box or something that the decedent had, or just in the file cabinet. Hard to know, but you have to do a thorough search to make sure that there is a will and that the one you have is the last will. So another thing that has to happen is that certified copies of the death certificates have to be ordered. And this is sometimes done by the funeral director, but you have to make sure that you have enough to cover the other assets that you have. Speaking of assets, that's another thing the executor has to do, is to gather what all of the assets are and look at how each thing is titled, because they all are distributed in a different fashion. Another thing is to determine who are the heirs in this estate. So the heirs and the beneficiaries may be totally different people. So we have to make sure that we know who those heirs are, because those are people that may be entitled to notice based upon what the statute says. Then once all of this is done, then an inventory is prepared by the executor and distributed to all of those heirs and beneficiaries so they know what's in the estate. So that's just the preliminary part of what the executor does, but I thought this short video might indicate what that was for you. So thank you for listening, and we look forward to your the next video.